down. Is there anything else you want to say to Trin before you leave up out of here?
You my little sister, whatever, but remember who the big dog is.
He told me throw it back about. So I said
now you're telling all your girls I done tow it up. So don't be messy, think I won't be as wrong for all of us.
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches, I know you with they friends. Girl,